welcome back to the channel Think Management. In the previous videos, we discussed topics like function of management and principles of management. Now we will understand another very important concept, which is coordination in management. In any organization, many departments and people work together, but if efforts are not properly aligned, the organization cannot achieve its goal, right? This is where coordination becomes important. Coordination simply means harmonizing and integrating the efforts of individual and departments to achieve organizational goals. In simple words, coordination means making sure everyone works together in the same direction. For example, suppose a company launches a new product. Production department manufactures the product, marketing promotes the product, and sales distribute it. If these departments do not work together properly, the product launch may fail. So managers ensure that departments work together smoothly towards the same objective. This process is called coordination. Many students confused between coordination and cooperation, but they are different. Cooperation means willingness of the people to help each other. It is more of a psychological attitude. But coordination is a managerial function where managers organize and direct the efforts of people so they work towards the same goal. Let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose 6 people are trying to move a heavy object. All of them are willing to help each other. This is cooperation. But if everyone pushes in different direction or at a different time, the object will not move properly. So someone needs to guide them, telling them to push in the same direction at the same time and with the right effort. This organizing of efforts is coordination. So we can say cooperation is necessary, but it is not sufficient for coordination. Now, coordination is not a separate activity. It exists in every function of management. First, in planning, managers coordinate the goals of different departments. Second, in organizing, managers assign duties and responsibilities clearly so that activities can work together. Third, in staffing, managers place the right people in the right job at the right time, which helps department work smoothly. Fourth, through directing, managers guide and motivate employees so they work together towards the same objective. Finally, through controlling, managers monitor activities and correct deviations so that everything stay aligned with the organizational goals. So coordination is present in planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Now, according to the exam point of view, this concept is very important. Why coordination is the essence of management? It is called essence of management because it connects all management activities. First, it integrates all management functions. It brings planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling together. Second, it ensures unity of action. This means all employees and departments work towards the same objective. Third, it prevents conflict between departments. For example, coordination helps avoid misunderstanding between production and marketing teams. Fourth, it links all organizational activities. It connects the work of different departments so they function smoothly. And finally, it helps achieve organizational goal. Because when everyone works towards the organizational goal and work together efficiently, the organization performs better. This is why coordination is considered the essence of management. Now, managers use several techniques to achieve this coordination. First is sound planning. Clear goals and plans help departments align their activities. Second is clear organizational structure, where responsibilities and authorities are clearly defined. With communication, which helps department share information and avoid misunderstandings. Fourth is leadership and supervision, where managers guide employees and encourage teamwork. Fifth is standardization, meaning common rules and procedures are followed so work becomes consistent. And finally, chain of command, which ensures a clear flow of authority and instruction from the top management to the lower level. So, to summarize, Coordination integrates the effort of individual and departments towards the same goal. It exists in every management function: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Effective coordination improves efficiency and teamwork and organizational performance. Therefore, coordination is considered as essence of management. Before ending the video, here's a quick question for you. Do you think coordination is more important in large organizations or small organizations? Share your answer in the comment. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Think Management for more simple management concepts. Thank you for watching.